Welcome to our YouTube channel on Job Discovery. The topic going look today is simple interest. So friends, read this question and solve it because this question is so easy and I think you can solve very easy with me. So question is, if Rs 460 amounts to Rs 640 in 6 years, what will it amount to in 2 years at the same rate percent? So question asking, if 460 amounts in 6 years will be 640, what will be at the same rate in 2 years? And option is 4 is given here. A option is Rs 520, B option is Rs 585 and C option is Rs 700 and D option is 640 Rs. So let's solve it. Principal given 460, amount given 640. So interest will be 640 minus 460 because amount include interest and principal. So interest will be 180. So this interest becomes in 6 years. Time duration taken 6 years. So in 1 years will be 30. See here. This will be total interest in 6 year. Okay, 6 year. So in 1 year will be 30. Then 30 to the 6, 33 ja 39, 36 ja 180. Okay, 33 ja 90, 13 4 ja 34 ja 120. So 30 into 6 will be 180. So in 1 year comes 30 rupees. What will be in 2 years? In 2 years will be 60. So in 2 year simple interest will be in 2 year 60 rupees. Our target only find what will be in 2 years total amount. So principal is 460 and simple interest is 60. So 460 plus 60 will be 520. So our answer is option A. Option is 520. Okay, Rs 520. Rs 520. Move to question number 2. Question number 2 is, a money elder lends Rs 60 and collects to Rs 66 at the end of 4 months. The rate of interest per annum is. Question asking, what is rate of interest if 60 becomes 66, means principal becomes 60 to 66. Principal given 60 and amount is 66. So this amount becomes 66. So simple interest will be 6 because 66 minus 60 will be 6. We need what will rate of interest. To see here, simple interest equal to PRT by 100. Option given, A option is 5%, B option is 10%, C option is 20% and D option is 30%. So simple interest is 6 equal to principal is 60 and rate of interest we don't know. So let me keep as X. Okay, and time duration is 4 months per annum. So 4 by, if it change in year, will be by 12 and into 100. So solve it. It will be our answer. So 6 10 ja 12 5 ja 60 and 2 3 ja 6 2 2 ja 4. This will be 50 10 and 5 10 ja 50. So 10 into 3 will be 30. So x equal to 30. So our answer is 30%. See here friends, 60 becomes 66 in 4 months. Only our target to find what will be simple interest, rate of interest. So rate of interest 6 equal to 60 into x into 4 by 100 into 12. So after calculation we found 30%. So our answer is D, option number D. Move to question number 3. Question number 3 is a 4-year Indira Vikas certificate with a maturity value of Rs 700 is purchased for Rs 500. The rate percent per annum is means principal will be 500 and becomes amount 700. Simple interest will be 200 because amount equal to principal plus simple interest. So simple interest equal to amount minus principal. Simple interest equal to amount is 700 minus principal is 500. So interest will be 200. Okay, so therefore simple interest I have kept 200, right? Our target to find only what will be percent per annum. So see here, simple interest equal to PRT by 100. Simple interest is 200 and principal is 500 and time is given 2 years. Time equal to, because certificate with a maturity value of Rs 700 is purchased for Rs 500 with a maturity value of Rs. Time duration is 4 years. Okay, so simple interest equal to PR2 by 100. So simple interest is 200 is equal to P determines 500 and rate of interest we don't know, so keep it as X and time duration is 4 years by 100. So after calculation 0 0 cancel and 2 2 ja 4 and 5 2 ja 10 20 2 10 ja, so x by 10 means x equal to 10%. So our answer is 10%, means option number D is correct option. See here friends, principal becomes 700, simple interest will be 200, 500 plus 200 will be amount. Okay, time duration is given for year. Our target to find only what will be x. So 200 equal to 500 into x into 4 by 100. So after calculating, we found x equal to 10%. So our answer is option number D. Thank you for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.